Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Neeraj Netra. Long time no see, and I haven't uploaded videos from about a month, and now I am back with a very interesting topic to cover: weird rules from across the world. In today's video, we are going to explore rules from the world which are weird according to the website I used. So, without further delay, let's begin. Okay, so our first weird rule for the day is don't cut the cactus. Yes, you heard me right. It is illegal to cut cactus plants in Arizona. The offenders can be sentenced to 25 years in prison. So be careful. The next one, potatoes. I don't worry. It's not the potatoes themselves. Owning potatoes more than 50 kgs in West Australia is illegal. So be on the lookout for weight during shopping for potatoes in West Australia. The next one, the Sudanese dress code. There are strict rules for Sudanese population to follow when it comes to dressing. They are legally bound to wear dresses of specific kinds and keep their hair covered. This like this. Okay. Now this is my favorite weird law that I have come across. I read out. I laughed out when I read this law called before crime. This law states that if a motorist has criminal intentions, then they must call the police chief before entering the city in the United States. I think this law just exists to give the prisoners extra time in prison. So funny. Who would like to call before they commit a crime? Okay, the next one, don't disturb. This is a quite hilarious one, and I think the punishment for it is quite a bit over. So this law basically states that in Australian weddings and funeral services, one must never disturb the event, or else you will be inviting the $10,000 fine to your door, and also you will be banned from attending any social gatherings or events. Quite hilarious, right? I think the punishment should not be so severe. Now the next rule regarding the Indian Army: no knives in combat. Yes, it is illegal for Indian soldiers to use knives in combat. Oh, there is an exception to this rule, and the exception allows the soldiers from the state of Nagaland to use knives. I don't know why it wasn't mentioned in the website. Okay, the next one is quite hilarious, very hilarious in fact. No pics of rabbits. Yes, you heard me right. Taking pics of these little guys in Wyoming between January and April requires a special permit. Violating it will lead to a strict response by the officials. That's what the website said to me. Alright, this one is quite a bit religious. In Sri Lanka, it is illegal to take a selfie with an idol of Buddha, and also devotees or tourists with the tattoo of Lord Buddha are not allowed to enter the country. I have heard that thousands of tourists were denied access into the country just because of a tattoo and a few pics. And now, probably the weirdest rule in the world regarding the game bingo. This law in the United States states that a game of bingo should not last more than 5 hours in the country. I wonder how the cops maintain a track of this law, cause if anybody breaks it, they won't even know it. So the 10th one, it's not dictatorial, but it's somewhat related to that. News permit. Yes, you heard me right. Watching news in many regions of Africa, news channels to be more specific, is prohibited. unless you have a special permit which allows you to watch the news channels. Quite hilarious, right? I think it will be difficult for the African cops to keep a track of this one as well. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you for listening to me. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and also tap the bell icon. And and tune up with me. I mean, catch up with me. And see you in the next video. Bye till then.